Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I'm looking at a Chevy Duramax 2500 HD, and we're going to be putting on a B&W Turnoverball. So it just came in, we're just parking the truck inside for the evening, and we're going to be adding a B&W Turnoverball, and we're going to be pulling this guy out of here. So customers decided to go ahead and do a Gen Y pin box hitch. So we're going to put, like I said, a B&W Turnoverball in here, get rid of this guy, and put him in a gooseneck on his Genesis Vortex, if I remember right, is what it is. So I'm going to pop out here. It's going to be on an older one. We actually have two of them here right now. Yeah, they're both right there. So one's brand new here under warranty, the first one, and the second one that doesn't have, it just has a standard pin over there. That's the one that we're going to be doing that too. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. I just wanted to check in and let you know what we're going to be doing. All right, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. Have a great day.